Hello everyone, this is Imanshi and today once again I'm back on my YouTube channel. And yesterday I wasn't able to upload a video because I wasn't feeling well. But right now I'm here. So please do watch this video, and today is day 5. So today I have brought wonderful idioms and phrases that you can use frequently in your daily manners. So how it goes, let's start. The first one is that I have brought for you for day 5 challenge is ducks in a row, which means is well organized. So how can you use it? It's like, let's have our meeting tonight and get our duck in a row. Let's have our meeting tonight and get our duck in a row. The second one is that I have brought is at stake, which means at risk, and it can be used like 3,000 employees' work are at stake because of management failure. And the third one that I have brought is to mind one's P's and Q's. Now, well, let me tell you what is P's and Q's. P's something means pins and Q's means quads. So to mind one's pins and quads, I can say, or to mind one's P's and Q's, which means to mind one's personality, to mind one's behavior, to mind one's manners, to mind one's personality and everything. All right. So how can you use it? It's like I have to mind my P's and Q's whenever I am with my grandma. And the fourth one is that I have brought is none other than but head over heels. Head over heels is something means madly in love. So how can you use it? Those boys were head over heels in love with the girl since they saw her. And yes, the fifth one is that I have brought is boil the ocean. Boil the ocean is something which means to do something almost impossible, or to try to do something which is almost impossible. And how can you use it? It's like we are just boiling the ocean. We must focus on immediate problem coming in front of us. And the sixth one is pin money. Pin money, we actually just know that pin money is something small amount of money, but no, it's a small amount of extra money that we actually want, but we really don't need. So it's like that money that we actually want, but we don't really need. Or you are getting some money in order to buy something. It's like this. So a small amount of extra money. Okay. And how can you use it? So it's like she started babysitting job just for just to earn a pin money. She started babysitting job just to earn pin money. And the seventh one is that we have brought is at one's wits end. At one's wits end is means confused or perplexed. And it's like I was at my wits end. The eighth one is great crasser. Great crasser. Crasser is something means intruder. So great crasser, which means an uninvited guest. And how can you use it? Last night, the couple of rowdy great crasser ruined the show or ruined the party. Last night, the couple of rowdy great crasser ruined the party. The ninth one is that I have brought is to bite the dust, which used to say to fail. So it's like to bite the dust, which means to fail. And how can you use it? It's like this time he had to bite the dust because he hadn't prepared well. And the tenth and the last one is stole the show. If any person is going to perform very well, and if someone is not someone, if everyone is praising her or him, just for his performance or her performance. So it's like stole the show on everybody's praise. So, yes, in the last 5 days, the person stole the show. All right. So this was all about day 5 challenge, and these type of idioms and phrases can be easily used in your daily manners, daily life. And this is all about day 5, and I'm glad I am delivering it to all with you. So yes, bye bye, take care. And if you have really got any idiom and phrase new, please do comment in a comment box, because I just want your reviews, and your reviews used to motivate me. So please don't forget to do this. And yes, please do like, share, and subscribe the channel.